Hello A-Fam from Manila in the Philippines.
I'm Ashley, this is my husband Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. All right, today we are going to be trying 3 different types of halo halo.
Halo halo is like a dessert here in the Philippines that we've been seeing everywhere, but we have yet to try it. So we know we have to try it today. But we've decided to try 3 different kinds so that we can compare them and let you know which one's the best.
Yeah, should you spend a lot on your halo halo, or can you just go to Jollibee and get the cheap one? We're going to find out.
We're starting our halo halo tour here at Cafe Marne with the most fancy halo halo we'll be having all day. It is the most expensive one, about $3, which is $150. And yeah, it's done up in layers. You can see the different layers here, but I was told that halo halo means mix mix. So we can't do this wrong. We have to mix all of the ingredients together, even though they serve it in layers.
Try not to spill challenge.
There are at least 5 different items in here. One of them being beans, another one being shaved ice. There's some fruits and gelatin. We're gonna give it a go.
Is it cold?
Yes.
No, so it's a lot of ice, huh?
There's milk, which makes it really creamy. It's very sweet, and I can taste something like I want to say oatmeal.
Oatmeal flavor, huh? Is there oatmeal in there?
Oh, there's pinipig. Pinipig.
What is that?
It's Rice Krispies.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
So
okay,
that
that
might
could
be
do
the
it.
flavor that I got. I feel like every bite of this you would take is going to be different because you're getting different things in each spoonful. This is pretty good. I don't know. The other places might have a hard time beating this one.
All right, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more like a smoothie style. Is this too much mixing? It says mix mix, so I'm just going for it. Okay. The sweet milk flavor, it tastes like milky Rice Krispies, kind of like you said.
Almost like cereal.
Yeah, it's almost like a cereal, but then you have the different fruits and bits in there, as well as ube, which I haven't seen, but we're told is in here.
It's bright purple, so you can see it.
Here it is. I found some ube. Is this a sweet yam? Is that what you said it is?
That's not ube.
That's not ube. Oh, tiny little bit of ube. Yeah, it tastes like a yam. Okay, so I have nothing to compare this to yet. We have 2 other ones we're gonna try, but this is good. It might be hard to beat this. I don't know. I'm not sure how it could get better yet, but this is good. Okay, I'm going with presentation, a 10 on this one compared to the expensive one.
That's pretty good. I like the big round glass bowl. Oh, it's plastic. Trickery.
Ah.
Round 2 of halo halo, we have come to Terasitas, and I have ordered a 99 peso halo, which is our mid-price, mid-range, which is about $2. So we are gonna try this one. It looks like it has like a flan on top, and it might be flan on the bottom. I'm not quite sure, but we'll mix it up and we'll see.
Yeah, I'm not seeing as many giblets as you call them in this one though.
Yeah, the
Not
other
as
one.
colorful as
Yeah.
the first halo halo.
Fair enough. It looks to be a little bit more of a monoculture of flavors.
So we might be missing the beans and the jelly.
Yeah.
Or maybe that's banana, I'm not sure. Here. Or it could be sweet potato.
I don't know how they expect you to mix these in these small bowls and then they overflow it. Look at the inside. This all the stuff is in there. I think there's coconut in there and some jelly. Oh, there's stuff in there. Keep mixing. Banana and something else like,
Langka.
what is it? Langka.
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 Yes, it's a type of fruit.
Some sort of Filipino fruit that I don't know about.
It has sufficiently been mixed, and we found some extra little giblets, so I think I'm gonna try this one. She said that it's a sweetened jackfruit inside here, and I've never had that before. I really like the sweetened jackfruit. That's really delicious. It does taste completely different from the other one. It seems that halo halo, you can put whatever giblets, what I call them, inside as long as it has ice, sweet milk, and just a bunch of different flavors, and you mix it. The mixing is what makes it halo halo.
So overall, what's your enjoyment level compared to the expensive one you just had?
I think I like the flavors of this one better.
Than the expensive one?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, I think that I like, this has banana in it, I think the flavors in this one are something I'm more familiar with, and so it's more enjoyable.
Got it.
I'm not like taking a bite and being like, is there gonna be a bean in this?
What is that?
I'm not familiar with this flavor.
All right, fair enough.
This is really yummy. It's so cold though.
I think the key for me is making sure it's really mixed so that you're not just getting chunks of ice, so it's all blended together. That's how I like it.
That's why you like it more melted and watery.
Yeah.
Jollibee Sunday. It's pretty much what we've been having, except it has ice cream in it, and you all know I love my ice cream. So we have some beans and some Jello and some we believe banana. Looks like banana. And some more little Jello giblets here, and then the sweet potato ube they have as kind of like a drizzle on top of the ice cream. So what we're gonna do is mix this puppy up.
How much did it cost, Ashley?
This was the cheapest of all. It was 39 pesos, which comes out to be like less than $1.
Yeah.
So, I mean, value on money, great. But it doesn't come in a nice little jar where you can see like the layers.
Which is why I think they put all the giblets on top so you can see it.
It does look very colorful.
I almost would rate this presentation slightly higher than the fancy one that we had, just because it's got all these super bright colors, like right at the very top.
I think that my presentation, the first one, definitely still wins for me.
For you, really? Okay.
Yeah, but I do like this. Plus, I gotta mix it or I'll be in big trouble.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
There's coconut as well.
Yeah.
Digging there real good.
So I think I got a bean in there. Oh, I got banana and some Jello and ice cream.
What do you think?
Delicious.
Because of the ice cream.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I knew it. I knew you were going to be biased because ice cream. So you're going to say, are you saying that this is the best just because ice cream?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
But
It's actually a non-traditional take on halo halo, but okay.
You like it because
I'm an
it's
ice
your
cream
American
lover.
flavor taste buds, I think.
Yeah. But the thing is that on the other halo halos, they have the shaved ice and the milk, so it is very similar to ice cream, like same what an ice cream would be made out of. But yeah, this is just a different take on it.
So halo halo is a deconstructed sundae.
Yeah,
It's very,
fancy.
yeah, wow, guys.
Or a snow cone with fruits.
There you go.
That's true too.
Inappropriate.
That's a bean in my dessert.
And you still like it despite the bean.
Yeah, the beans don't have like that much of a flavor. It's more the texture that it gives.
Okay. right, I'm gonna get a nice big Jello giblet.
He's gonna be less biased.
It's really hard not to be biased because I like ice cream too. It's not Halo Halo though.
Yeah.
This is not. This is a Halo Halo Sundae.
So not really fair to be comparing it to the others? It's in its own category?
I think the second most expensive one we had was probably the best Halo Halo. This is good, but it's ice cream. So if you want a non-traditional Halo Halo, this is good.
And cheap. You
And
only
cheap.
spend less than $1.
But I don't think it accurately represents what Halo Halo is. If you already have had Halo Halo and you've tried it, come have this. But don't try this first and expect to understand what Halo Halo is.
I completely agree. Go and have regular old Halo Halo. Don't come here for the Halo Halo unless you've already tried regular Halo Halo.
But this is great.
Dang, that's a big bite. Okay. Bye, Jollibee. You have the
There you
best
go.
fake Halo in all of the Philippines.
Yeah, best Halo with an asterisk. It was good. It was really good.
It was delicious.
I think my favorite of the actual Halo was the second one that we went to. It was about $2 and it was delicious.
Yeah, I think I can say actually the second one was my favorite too. I liked the candied jackfruit and the banana in it was really delicious.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I hope that encouraged you guys to gather and travel today. Come to the Philippines, try some Halo Halo. It is a local dessert, and if you don't mix it up, you're doing it wrong. So
Yes.
mix,
Remember.
Halo Halo. All right,
And we'll see you in the next video.
bye.
Bye.